log cabins. Rugged, timeless, and connected to the land. I'm Nate Heim, and I build log cabin homes here in the Northlands of Minnesota. I work with the finest crew around, you betcha. Using century-old techniques, we pour ourselves into each and every cabin, bringing the past into the present. No matter what happens, my crew and I are on a mission to build log cabin homes all across this country. I gotta stop to talk to the Evans brothers. They've got a huge lodge just outside of Park City, Utah that needs an upgrade. Paul, you got quite the place here. Tell me a little bit about there's gotta be history behind this place.
This is the Timber Moose Lodge. Wow. We rent it out to corporate retreats, destination weddings, and big family groups. We have 13 bedrooms, 16 bathrooms, and it sleeps 60.
Oh my gosh. You told me to come here to look at a front door?
This is the door. Obviously, it's one of the first things people come up to when they get here, and we feel like it's a little bit of an eyesore. We love this place. When we take you inside, you'll see that it's big and grand and majestic.
Yeah.
And this is the first impression we give people when they arrive. To help Nate understand the grandeur of this place, we decided we should give him a tour.
Oh, wow. Wow, look at this. I love the log trusses. Look at the character on the logs. Wow, that's so cool. This 26,000 square foot mansion has normal walls, but at the frame, it's the biggest log cabin I've ever seen. Wow, this is a grand room. Look at the character. Holy smokes. Now that I've seen the beauty of this lodge, I'm really excited to create an entryway fit for this amazing cabin. You guys have so much beauty going on in there, and this front entryway is so grand, but this is not so grand. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I mean, what kind of ideas do you have for this front entryway?
I want something that's over the top.
We gotta wrap this door in some big beams. I mean, this is a Timber Moose Lodge. We gotta have a big door. What would you think if we had a carving of a moose looking like it's running right out that door?
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
I know a carver who could do a great door for you. What do you think, a big, massive door?
That's what we want. I said we do it.
I got a project in Texas right now, but what I tell you I can do is I'll get a hold of my guy who carves the doors, and when that thing is ready, I'll come back, I'll install it for you.
Let's do it.
We're gonna make sure it streams Timber Moose Lodge. Working on this lodge is gonna be incredible. We're meeting with Scott Twiggs, a general contractor who's worked on the lodge in the past, and he knows it very well. He's got the logs we need to overhaul the entryway, and he's gonna be giving us a hand. Oh man, the logs these are gorgeous. Hey, you must be Scott. Man, you got quite a load here, huh? Looks like you got everything. Got the vertical logs and that big header log right there. That's gorgeous.
Yep.
That's gonna be a beast getting up in the place, huh?
Definitely.
Yeah, well, now it's a matter of putting her together, huh? First thing we gotta do is start stripping this ugly stuff off. This isn't Timber Moose Lodge and this isn't grand. We gotta get rid of it. Matt and Spencer's families are here today and their sons are watching me work. I love inspiring young kids, and who knows, maybe one of them will be a log craftsman one day. Oh, look at that. Huh, well that's a start. This is kind of the fun part, just taking off the old stuff, getting ready for a new look. This stuff was ready to come off.
These windows are very fragile. The older the glass gets, the more brittle it gets too. We gotta watch this. This is an old thermal paint. It might just explode and shatter. All right, got her, Nate. Got her?
Way too easy. Now we gotta take the front door out and put the new vertical log posts up there to support the massive log over the front. We gotta remove this door and then all we got left is the transom unit.
Oh, it's a monster door.
Now that it's kind of a clean slate, we gotta cover it up for the night and then get going hard at it first thing in the morning.
All right, let's get to it. It's getting dark.
We got the old material completely stripped. We're starting with the fresh slate. Now we're ready to put the big log slab on. It takes 5 of us to put this big log slab up. The hardest part is it's 800 pounds, it's 20 feet long, and we gotta maneuver it around 2 posts that are holding up the entryway. What if we go up, it bells in here a little bit. Okay, push.
You're gonna have to saw that knot just a little bit flat. So if you do that, I think we're gonna clear.
Okay. Ready? Here, go your way. Hey, good job, guys. I think it looks cool. And now it's time to install the door. This thing is perfect. The moose is beautiful. We gotta go get Matt and Spencer. They're down by the pool. All these kids are having fun doing cannonballs. We just finished up, Matt. Can't wait to see it. All right, well, let's get the crew together and I'm gonna show you guys.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys.
Wow.
Huh?
That is incredible. That is beautiful.
Now that's a grand entryway, huh?
That is awesome.
Matt and Spencer see this for the first time, and whoa, they are blown away.
That is a timber moose.
It is, and it's a one of a kind. I've never seen anything like it. Colors blend right in with that bronze finish.
It's beautiful. It really is. That is awesome. Exactly what we wanted.
The entranceway looks great, the door looks great, and all the work is done expertly.
Now that's a grand entryway, huh? How much does that weigh, Bob?
Man, I'm thinking about 350 pounds.
Yeah.
What do you think of that massive log up on the top?
We said we wanted big. We really did big.
There's 5 guys it took to put that up there, but that goes up once and it's gonna stay there for a long time.
I just love how you tied it all together, got the new siding to match what we had. You did an awesome job. It's incredible.
Oh, thanks.
Exceeded expectations for sure.
I know we did a really good job on this. This is done to last a lifetime.
I can't wait for you guys to show this off.
Well, I want to start with our family.
Yeah, absolutely. Bring them on. Sure. All right, what do you think? They love it.
We should name him. He's like another member of the family.
Yeah, let's name him Mr. Timber.
Say Timber Moose. The kids are loving it. This is the proper entryway for the Timber Moose Lodge.